Hello, and welcome to today's session. In this session, we will explore how legal frameworks impact the IT sector. The world of information technology operates within a complex network of laws, regulations, and ethical standards that influence how organizations and professionals manage data, develop software, and deliver services. Understanding these legal and regulatory requirements is essential for ensuring compliance, protecting users, and maintaining professional integrity. Today, we will examine key legislation and regulations affecting IT, discuss ethical considerations, and explore how these elements shape industry standards and best practices. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of the critical role that legal frameworks play in guiding IT operations and professional conduct. IT practitioners must understand the application of legislation in the IT sector. Organizations create policies to operate effectively. Ethical issues are crucial, alongside professional bodies setting industry standards. Familiarity with professional certification is essential. Some jobs require specific certifications for eligibility. Understanding legal issues in IT is crucial due to rapid industry changes. Topics include data protection, cybersecurity, and intellectual property. Emerging technologies also play a role. We will explore key areas with relevant legislation. This knowledge is vital for compliance and risk management. The GDPR is a key legislation in the EU affecting personal data handling. It sets high standards for consent and data processing. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties for organizations. Aligning IT practices with GDPR is essential. This ensures data protection and individual rights. Consent is required before data collection. Individuals can access their personal data held by organizations. They can request data deletion under certain conditions. Data breaches must be reported within 72 hours. These aspects ensure transparency and accountability in data handling. The NIS directive enhances cybersecurity across EU states. It requires essential service operators to implement security measures. Serious incidents must be reported to authorities. National strategies are developed for cybersecurity. This directive strengthens overall security infrastructure. Digital content challenges copyright law significantly. The DSM directive updates rules for digital environments. It includes provisions for content sharing services. Text and data mining are addressed under certain conditions. This directive aligns copyright with digital age demands. The AI Act proposes a framework for AI regulation. It addresses risks and ensures AI systems are safe. A risk-based approach categorizes AI systems. High-risk systems have stricter requirements. Governance involves national authorities overseeing compliance. Staying informed on IT legal issues is crucial for compliance. GDPR, NIS directive, and AI regulation are key frameworks. They ensure IT practices are legally sound. Implementing these regulations enhances IT system integrity. Understanding them mitigates risks effectively. Compliance in HCI design ensures legal and user-friendly systems. Legislation impacts functionality, usability, and reliability. Efficiency and maintainability are also affected. Portability requires compatibility across devices. EULA defines software use terms and impacts design aspects. Organizations must meet legal requirements for safety and protection. Compliance ensures employee safety and consumer trust. Intellectual property protection is crucial for innovation. Avoiding penalties prevents financial and operational consequences. Compliance fosters trust and sustainable success. UK Varsity Online must comply with data protection laws. Cybersecurity standards ensure risk management. Consumer protection regulations enhance transparency. Intellectual property laws safeguard educational content. Compliance builds trust and ensures operational integrity. GDPR and Data Protection Act impact UK Versity Online. Data security measures protect student data. Compliance requires investment in technology and training. It enhances reputation and builds trust. Data subject rights must be respected and facilitated. ISO 27001 and Cyber Essentials Guide, Cybersecurity. Risk management is systematic and comprehensive. Certification enhances credibility and trust. Operational integrity ensures uninterrupted services. Compliance costs are outweighed by long-term security benefits. Consumer Rights Act ensures transparency and fairness. Dispute resolution mechanisms enhance student satisfaction. Legal liability is avoided through compliance. Student confidence is boosted by fair practices. Compliance fosters positive relationships with consumers. Copyright laws protect educational content. Compliance with licensing avoids infringement issues. Innovation is encouraged through content protection. Legal risks are mitigated by adhering to laws. Compliance upholds reputation and attracts students. Creating content for specific legal restrictions is crucial. Gambling restrictions require thorough content review. Content prohibitions need compliance with local laws. Access and distribution must adhere to regulations. Cultural sensitivity enhances content acceptability. IT professionals must ensure compliance with legal frameworks. Data privacy and cybersecurity are key areas. International data transfers require legal mechanisms. Localized data protection measures are essential. Compliance ensures legal integrity and fosters trust. Standards like ISO 27001 and Cyber Essentials guide security. They provide frameworks for managing risks. Best practices are promoted for data protection. Compliance enhances security and reduces risks. Organizations must adhere to these standards for effective cybersecurity. This is the conclusion of the video. Understanding IT legislation is essential for compliance. GDPR, cybersecurity standards, and intellectual property laws shape practices. Compliance builds trust and ensures operational integrity. Organizations must prioritize legal and regulatory adherence. This ensures sustainable success in the IT sector. Should you need any assistance, please send a WhatsApp message to 074843 61688. We're happy to help. Thanks for your participation, and see you next time.